Hello, I've got some updates and some quick resources that I made that I'm wanting to share with you. We're gonna start posting to the uh website, YouTube, whatever. I don't know. I'm looking at myself in the camera over here, so don't mind me if I'm do that. Let's get started. First off, Industrial Dynamics. I've been reading this book. This book is awesome. This is a modeling book on how to make systems models and um, how to integrate good decision making into decisions, and it has been awesome, not only for investment management, but for running a business and that sort of thing. If anything like that interests you, highly recommend. That's number one. Number two, we're getting a website going. I've got this website set up right now, systemscapital.net, where you can just click like investment tools, or market commentary, and you can go from there, or you can contact me by clicking that guy. Um, See, great, excellent. Uh, Email thing is gonna pop up, hopefully. Otherwise, I gotta fix that. Anyway, let's move on. Investment tools. Right now, oh, there it is. Investment tools. Right now, I'm still kind of figuring out the best way how to upload. There it is. I'm trying to figure out how to upload Excel sheets and everything that I make. This one is, distribution statistics of S&P 500 company. You go all the way down. It's all of them, right? Um, and we can filter by like assorting, average monthly return. PayPal's not doing so good. I want to get this updated so that it updates daily, but right now it's just published from Q3. I think I actually all these numbers are from like December. So, take that with a grain of salt. But it's up there for now. More to come. Excited. Number two, market commentary. Right now I'm just kind of putting in. I want to have all my newsletter updates and everything that I have already sent out, and any sort of update like that. I want to put that in here, and kind of create a little investment journal. Um, schwa. Um, that's a typo. Um, but still just putting everything, getting everything all set up. I wanted to make this video just to let you know that I'm plugging away, that I'm working. And there's more to come. That being said, on Substack, I'm putting everything on there right now too. It's all backlogs at the moment. But if you're into Substack and want to go read some of my stuff, go read it. Um, Link in the description. Link for everything in the description. So next up, we've got GitHub. So right here you can see all the code for the actual website, which I think is kind of nice and kind of cool. I don't know, novel. But then we also have this SEC filing download, which this has been really cool too. This is something that I made. So you come in here. This is what you download from it. You come in here, you type in your ticker, you type in the file type, how many you want, your user agent, and where you're gonna download it. And then you run it, boom, boom, boom. I'm not gonna run it right now because I just did, as you can see that. And then, boom, it gets this for you. Fantastic, right? This is the most recent Form 10K from Tilray, and it's got all the information, and it comes directly from the SEC. So that is a cool little tool if you like to use that. This link for it also in the description. Um, yeah, I'm also working on something else that is this, but then it filters the data and it uses it and into a puts it into a file, which then you can use to explore a little more. So this is the one that I did for Tilray just as a test. This one is not out yet, but from each period we can see the goodwill of the current assets, total liabilities, revenue, net profit, beginning earnings, dividends, etc. all the way down to Altman Z score, working capital, cost of revenue, total, all that stuff. So we can see with Tilray, they're starting to widen their current ratio, which is really good. This is um, assets current and liabilities current. So that's pretty nice. Um, yeah. So that's all. This one is not out yet, but I'm working on it. And that's all. I want to be doing more videos and updates and announcements to this YouTube channel, but gotta start somewhere. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.